Hi guys, it's your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So today we are making this delicious assorted fried rice recipe. Okay, it was so good. Guys, follow to the end so I give you the tips to making the best fried rice recipe ever. Okay, so let's go. So in a bowl I add my oil, some onion, and then we are gonna saute this for a while. Then I added some curry powder, which is optional. Okay, so I added some soya sauce and then my chicken broth. Okay, so we're gonna cook this for a while and then we are gonna add our rice to it. So I have lots of fried rice recipes on my channel, but this one was a game changer. Guys, please follow to the end so I give you the tips to make the best fried rice ever. Okay, more than takeaway. So we added our rice, some salt to taste, and then we stir and add some water to it. If you still have your broth, you can add it to it. Cover it and allow the rice to cook. So I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. Is the doing of the Lord, and it's so marvelous in my eyes. I want to say a special thank you to all my returning viewers and my new viewers and subscribers. God bless you. So now you can see our rice is well cooked, so we're gonna take this off the fire and allow it to cool down a bit, and then we start with our stir fry. So with my stir fry, in a wok I add my sausages and saute it a little bit and then set it aside. Okay, using sausage is optional. Okay, so now we're gonna scramble our eggs, and one tip to make your fried rice nice is make sure your egg is well seasoned. Okay, don't just fry or scramble the eggs just like that. Now I am gonna use some minced meat, which is also optional. This, like I said, is assorted fried rice, so anything that comes in my family, just add it to it. Okay, so we fry our minced meat, then I add a little seasoning to it, but please make sure you don't over season your minced meat. Okay, so now our minced meat is ready, so we are gonna add our veggies one after the other. So another tip for you guys is make sure if you want to make fried rice, get your rice correct. The rice should be tasty enough. Okay, so at this point we add some peas. You know I love mixed veggies, and then some cabbages. Yeah, and for assorted fried rice, the veggies should be a bit bigger. Okay, and so it doesn't get messy in the rice. So I added my scrambled eggs and my sausages at this point. So we added just some little black pepper, and then I am adding my oyster sauce. And just look at that. So our stir fry was superb. So I just add my rice to it, and family, we are good to go. So first and foremost, get your rice correct. Let the rice be tasty, and then also you get your stir fry correct. That is all. So at this point I added my scallions or spring onions, and you can see I chopped it into bigger sizes because I don't want it to get messy in my assorted rice. And ta-da, we are done. So I didn't add any salt to it because my rice was correct, like I said. Okay, just look at that. I believe you can add this assorted fried rice recipe to your rice dishes, and your family, they are gonna thank you. In fact, they are gonna give you the best chef awards. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, just give your girl some thumbs up, like, comment, please subscribe and share so your family and friends can also enjoy this recipe. Okay, so we paired ours with some salad and some chicken. Waakye nakono. It looks so inviting, and trust me, it was so delicious, guys. You really need to try this. Okay, come, let's enjoy lunch. Thank you, guys, and see ya in our next video. Bye bye. I love you guys.